Hi everybody, my name is Holly Draper and I'm the creator of Shop Draped. I am a digital content creator, all-around creative, and I'm a head wrap artist. And today I'm going to be teaching you guys a new head wrap style for Wrap It Wednesday. Wrap It Wednesday. That's what today is. Wrap It Wednesday. So today we're going to be doing a really simple updo style that looks very complicated but is super easy. So let's just get into it. Alright, so for this style, I'm using the Spiral Life head wrap, and the link to it is below. This is a very fun head wrap, and I think it's going to look super cute with this style. So let's get into the style. I'm centering my head in the middle of my head wrap, and I am going to tie once. And with this tie, I'm going to kind of loosely tie it, but not too loose. And we're going to open up a little hole in the center like so. I'm going to tighten it up a little bit. Move this around. Alright, now we have this hole that we kind of built up, right? We're going to take one section, this side right here, and we're gonna roll it back and just tuck it in. Tuck it in the hole. Tuck it in the hole. And we'll play with it towards the end. And we're gonna take this side and roll it, gal. Roll it. Roll it back and tuck it in the hole. And kind of play with what we got going on here. You can pull out the fabric a little bit, play with how it's tucked, play with it up here. Kind of liking how that looks. Flip this around a little bit. And I'm going to come back to you guys with the finished look after I play with it a little bit. Alright you guys, I am back and this is my final look. Play with it just a little bit. So let me give you guys, turn around. Alright guys, that's it for this look. How easy was that? If you guys love this tutorial, thought it was very easy and liked the look, please give me a like and subscribe to our channel for more head wrap tutorials. I post a new tutorial every week on Wednesday. So please subscribe, like, comment if you feel moved to, and I will see you guys on the next one. Love you. Bye.